how do I hold and fetch a scene? Holding and fetching is a very handy feature. It's very much like saving, but a little quicker. It's like saving on the fly. What I'm going to do real quick is make a very simple scene with a couple of teapots because it's 3ds Max. You have to have teapots. And we'll leave the scene just as it is and go under Edit and choose Hold. And what this does is this creates kind of a saved file that's tucked away. You don't get to choose the name. It's automatically assigned for you. And now if we make any changes to the scene whatsoever and we think, you know what, I liked that teapot where it was to begin with, we can simply come back to Edit and choose Fetch. And it says, I'm about to fetch. Is that okay? Click Yes, and there you go. It goes back to the state that the scene was in originally. Now, if you want to, you can come under the 3ds Max folder found within your My Documents or wherever you might have happened to locate this folder, and you can see your maxhold.mx file, which is created every time you hit the hold feature.
That's right, and it's located up under 3ds Max Auto Back.
Right, so the cool thing about this, though, is that if Max has to shut down or if you end up closing it, you can still reopen Max, come back in, and immediately choose Fetch, and whatever the last thing you held is, it'll pop right in.
Or for me, personally, most importantly, while working, if I want to just test something real quick, just Control-Alt-H, make your test. If it didn't work out, Control-Alt-F and fetch it back.
Absolutely.
And with that, that's going to wrap up this How Do I?